Making AI easy to understand and use and accessible off the shelf, to me, is the biggest breakthrough. With AI, every agent can reach their full potential and become a top performer. You can make every agent more productive and get the right guidance continuously to improve your operations.
Most of our customers, what they want from us are three things. They want us to be fast, they want us to be friendly, and they want us to be factual. So to be able to service all of our clients in the way they want, that's the dream. What I'm seeing is an exciting opportunity here to streamline, be more efficient with the day-to-day stuff that will allow forward-thinking members of the team, people who want to move on, to try and do some new things, be it driving revenue, new sales channels, anything like that.
Absolutely, and I bet for a lot of you out there, that's the goal as well, which is using automation to deliver better service for your customers and really raise the bar in terms of the quality of the service that you're delivering.
And that's very in line with what we've been building here at Zendesk. The instant power to scale your operations, to improve productivity, and to collect all of these AI benefits that we've been waiting for.